welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. uDonga uhleli nomndeni wakhe, they discussing indaba kaSibusiso noThoba ukuthi they were fighting over uDidi. Uma wakhe nje ubusy continue ukutotosa uSibusiso, but uDonga is like, yazini uSibusiso he needs to man up. They're in this situation because uSibusiso is a prince, and noma wakhe uyamtotosa. If uSibusiso was clear about what he wanted, no Didi kuba bekho la, but uSibusiso said he doesn't want to marry Didi. So kahle victim la uThoba saw an opportunity and took it. uKhathazile is not happy because she always wants to side nomntanakhe. And then kwaMshengu nako the elders are sitting busy bethethisa uThoba ukuthi why is he doing into ayenzayo is not good. Athi uMshengu nje is not surprised because uThoba is doing exactly what his father used to do. Ube busy nemantombazana ase-Hillbrow, uMakhosha base-Hillbrow aqeda baletha nasendlini. And then uDidi goes to Sibusiso's house, finds uSibusiso noma wakhe, says ukuthi uyazini usibiti muthi kuwena, how dare you go to my house and take uLangelihle and all his stuff. uKhathazile athi uyangena athi ma please don't get involved, usayitsena please. And then uDidi told Sibusiso to get off, telling him that he's a cheese boy, it's taking advantage, he thinks that money can buy everything. Well, he must just take her to court because she's here to take a child and there's nothing he can do about it. Ndumiso tries to speak to uThoba, but uThoba is like, I'm not letting uDidi go, I love her. And then uDonga and Ndumiso, they speak to the boys together, but why do you guys have to fight for a woman? Manje, how do we move forward? uThoba, you're going to leave uDidi? Athi, no, I'm not going to do it. And then but athi uDonga, so what are your intentions? Athi njena, he wants to spend the rest of his life no Didi, so njengeka azamiyeke. Athi uThoba, and the reason why Sibusiso is against it is because you can see that Didi is now happy. Before they had a relationship, Sibusiso didn't care about Didi. He just doesn't want to see Didi happy. And then uKhathazile has a chat noFakazile saying umcecela ngendaba kaThoba no Didi. Athi uFakazile, as in these kids, you can call all meetings, but if these kids want to be together, they'll be together. So bayekeni nje. And then Sibusiso goes to get advice from their family lawyer Hlatshwayo. Hlatshwayo advises uSibu ukuthi uyazini, this case, you won't have a case when in court. They'll always still favor uDidi because she's the mother of the child and there's nothing wrong that she did to show that she's a danger to the child, and ingane is still breastfeeding and all those things. She's doomed, is doomed, it doesn't stand a chance. And then Donga no Khathazile, they go to Mshengu to tell him tomorrow is their vow renewal celebration. Athi nje it won't happen without uMamChunu, but he was happy about it. Athi cha, it won't happen nje, so nje ukuthi so dance ethuneni kaMamChunu ngithi there will be no celebration without uMamChunu. And then uNqubeko goes to Fakazile to tell her ukuthi bathi uNomsa has to go for psychiatric evaluation because they believe that she was not in her rightful mind when she took the kids. uFakazile is like, that's